How to change your username on Temu. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to change your username on Temu in just a few simple steps. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference on a device and type in temu.com in the URL box and search. Once you end up in the official homepage of Temu, go ahead and mouse over to your Orders and Accounts tab at the top right corner and click on your current name. Now on the next page, it will open the Your Profile section. Click on the pencil button right next to your current name at the top. Inside the Name tab, go ahead and write down a new name you want to change to. Once you are done, click Save, and you have successfully changed your username on Temu.com account. Now your new name will be reflected in your profile. So that's it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.